Here you go, gang. Here's one for the record books. 70 AAR Cuda, pistol grip 4-speed, and limelight in original condition. This is an unrestored original and probably one of the best condition cars I've ever seen in a long time. Look at that. You can see the seam sealer coming up through the paint, which is typical of all these cars. And it is indeed an original car. I love looking at these because you can really tell, you know, how the factory did the paint treatments, how they laid the paint out into the inner fender. Um, and the car's been remarkably well preserved. You know, up in Pennsylvania at the Chrysler Nationals, they have the largest survivors tent, and it's very, and you know, they got some stunners up there. This one is right up along the top of the best. Stunning survivor. Limelight, white interior, pistol grip console, 4-speed. Original battery in the trunk. Space saver spare complete. And the car comes from Pacific Chrysler. I'm going to guess that's out west, which would explain why the car is in such immaculate condition. But I make a point to make videos of cars like this because it's just an amazing treat to see these cars in this type of condition as they came from the factory. So there you have, Trans Am fans. Beautiful Survivor TA Challenger. It's Gauze Garage. Thank you much.